Hello, this is Practice It, exercise 8.19, construct a rectangle. The problem reads, add the following constructor to your rectangle class from the previous exercise. So this is our method, and construct this is supposed to construct a new rectangle whose top left corner is specified by the given point and with the given width and height. Okay, so if you haven't done the previous exercise, make sure you guys do that first. But for this problem, we'll add their constructor. So public rectangle, then point P, comma, int width, comma, int height. And then we'll open. Okay. And then we have our x, y, and our width and height, which is all included in our point. Our point makes up our x and y, right? So we'll say this x is equal to point, and then from the point we have to get x, and that's also something that we've been doing for our previous problem, so make sure you guys check that out at first. So this y is p dot get y, close that off. And then we just need to do our width and height now. So width, and then since we don't have anything special for that, we just need to do width, and then same thing for height. And I think that should be it for the problem. And we'll just submit that, and then make sure everything's correct. Yep, all our test cases are passed. This wraps it up for this problem, and we'll see you next time.